Put out the offering plate.
Put yes. Offering plate. Okay.
Put out the offering plate first, lady.
You ain't say nothing but a word.
Yes, put out the offering plate now, cause I'm giving them the word of wisdom. There we go. First lady, hand them the plate now. There we go.
Here you go, guys.
All right now.
Offering.
Pastor's on the pulpit. Okay now. Quiet
hey
now.
guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
What?
Honey.
What?
We gotta say let's start eating first before you start eating.
Girl, first lady, you said hey guys, let's start. So I started.
Well, we gotta say our intro.
Oh my gosh. Again? Come on, girl. Let's hit the intro. Oh man.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
She said that, right? Come on now. Go ahead, first lady.
Hey the Greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a
seafood mukbang boil.
I like that one.
Switch up on him.
We have everything, guys.
Everything.
We have king crab. What we have, my love?
We have mussel. We have beef sausage, not pork. Egg, shrimp. I say king crab already?
Yeah, man. Corn.
They can't see corn, potato, green pepper, lime. All lime I eat today, you know.
Cucumber.
A
lemon that man.
A lemon. Same thing. It's too white bitter, same thing. So we got so much stuff. Come on, first lady.
We are hungry. And then
And what kind of sauce we have?
We have Dame Dash butter sauce. You know I love his butter sauce.
First lady made it.
We are
digging
hungry. Okay?
The mussel. Yo, my man, your CPR right now.
It's hot.
You want that? You want thing over here? Right? Yo, my man, your CPR right now. Hot, right?
I must have to sue you.
Wow. So take it easy, first lady.
I'm sorry about.
It's hot. It's hot.
But it's hot. Damn. I love my food hot though, but Lord Jesus, this one.
I was waiting for this.
I should put more pepper in here.
It's good first.
How it tastes?
It's good.
It tastes good.
Oh, it tastes delicious.
Something hot, man.
Family, I've been waiting. First day, right?
Yes.
You took too long. They said let's start eating now.
I see. I'm laughing because, guys,
Well,
the sauce hot enough.
Hot for real, son.
Hot.
Sauce hot, man.
I don't know why I do that to myself.
It is hot. I just put my hand and I said, God damn, ooh. Hot, man.
Hot.
Family, what's good with y'all? Birthday. This sauce is good as hell.
Yep. Dame Dash, he know what he doing when he made this sauce. But you know I had to throw some extra stuff in there. But it's still his sauce.
Still his sauce. Good.
I just add more pepper. And most of people love pepper.
I mean, our household now. I we want to it.
That's right. Try one of these peppers with it.
I'm gonna try it too.
You gotta try one too? Let me mess this up now.
It's crunchy, huh? Look at this. Girl, take it easy. No, we gotta have to eat this pepper tries now. It's the first lady. Anything first lady do, I want to do it. I want first lady to do the food before me. So anything she do, I'm doing.
You're right.
That's all you. Alright.
I just tastes good, but it's hot, my love.
Look.
It's steam. I think I made it too hot now. Not with pepper. It needs more pepper.
You know, it's stove too long. So turn it off. Make it cool down.
I turned it down. I actually turned it off, guys. And then right before we was gonna get ready, I turned it back on to get warm. Because I don't like my food hot. I mean cold.
What are you into?
I don't like my food cold at all. It really makes me angry.
That is hot though.
It's hot. And you gotta understand the butter. Yeah. Should I take some? Like I said, I like my food to be hot.
This is real hot though.
I want a different level hot.
That joint burn my thing just now.
In your mouth?
Shrimp. Could y'all see? Try first lady trick. First lady. You be putting your foot up in these stuff, man.
Yeah, man. Something tastes good, man.
Family?
You know, I know a lot of you guys are saying, Shanice, it's a simple way to stop it from being hot. Blow. I forget. That's how hungry I am.
Nah, blow. Enjoy. Yeah. So what's up, family? What goes on with y'all? Y'all chilling? Enjoying your week? What is cucumber? Cucumber.
So them say cucumber. I'm surprised you like it because it's not meat.
As long as something can go in my stomach. It's not pork. Yeah, this tastes good.
It tastes good with it, right? I'm gonna taste a lemon. So they say, no, we don't really fussy about lemon and.
I can't wait to get to the big boss. This is good. What you need? Want to get ready cream guy?
No man, it's just everything is just. Oh, you wanna break your mom? Break it, my youth.
The boss right here now.
I'm making a mess.
Making a mess? It's all good.
I feel like I'm eating like a crazy person.
It's all good.
It's hot.
Really nice. Yeah. Got the scissors on deck. You know how it is. No? Trying to be fancy. No? Cut it.
Cut your hand now.
I know. I don't vex it.
Because you can't use your
I can't
hand.
use my hand if I cut my hand, family.
You can't use your hand to eat.
I'd have been mad.
That's all. That's all he worried about. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. See, I'm blowing now, guys.
Blowing. Yeah, blow good, man. So the piece right here. First. First, you want to take the first bite? Left for that to go ambidextrous. No, can't work so. Can't work so. Hot. Nice. I gotta give the boss the first bite.
Oh, I forgot we have sausage too now. I know you didn't forget.
You know some lady nice sausage yet?
A pork sausage, that's right.
Alright, yo, this is gonna be very gonna have to be sloppy today. Give me some more napkin first day, please.
It's a sloppy day.
Yeah. Seafood is sloppy.
Sloppy but good.
Sloppy but good. How's your day going? I know you're saying, Richie, you asked me that already. But sometimes when I get caught up in this greatness, this masterpiece, I tend to forget. I sure do. I'm glad y'all doing fine. You know what I'm saying? Or what? Y'all living every day to the fullest? That's right.
That's good.
Good to say that. I like that one. See me at first day to enjoy life. We come here every day in front of y'all and eat. We talk, we reason. If we have an issue, we get it off our chest.
Yeah.
Leave it right on the mukbang table. Not true? Only she have first lady. You see your face change the food up. Even when she cook the pork, you know. Yeah. That's the only shot that with first lady. When first lady cook the pork.
The only
Understand the
issue,
thing.
no.
Yeah.
The only issue I have with you is that you don't yum pork.
My fashion rush, me meat, me pork.
But
But yeah, that's the, I'm saying, other than that, family, you know, sometimes I be joking around, and you know what I mean, but this one is serious, you know? Every day in promise.
that's true.
Try to calm down. And I don't like that no, but when it's you, seafood, man, corn, egg, everything get eat up.
That's why I put more fun on my side.
And you know, sir, me never
What?
watch your side,
What?
but you know, say get more than me.
No.
Yo, when you cook seafood, you never take more than me now.
What are you gonna do?
Alright.
So,
I'm supposed to get more.
My nose run. You supposed to get more than me?
Yeah. Yeah.
No capping.
No cap. But yeah, so I know she not gonna mind this for your side.
Not worry about it.
I'm gonna let her slide. Yeah. We're just gonna eat today.
Guys,
We're just gonna eat today.
this is so good. Let me tell you something. If you guys have never tried his sauce,
Yeah.
you have to try it.
I'm just about to say that. Yeah, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying?
I always have his ingredients in my house, even before I made his sauce. That's why I love it. And it's very good.
Yeah. Don't just take our word for it, you know, but even though we will give it a full review. But if you can, try it. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
I see why people eat the cucumber with the in the sauce. It's good. It's like a refreshing.
You want me to cucumber, you can't don't have the big crab. The big. Damn.
My king crab.
What do you mean by name your king crab?
My king crab, my business.
Give me a piece of that crab.
No.
Piece of that crab.
Okay, you want to taste this piece?
Just a piece, come and make it taste mine.
Got it!
I knew she's gonna do that, no? Okay. You wanted to do that a long time, first
I
lady.
did.
Alright, you got me back. Look at this
But
piece.
you always catching me.
You can see that, first lady? Cover it up. How does that look? Zoom in camera.
Okay, man, good.
Yeah.
You always catching me, honey.
Look how big that piece is. Now I'm gonna sop it up. And look at this.
If you guys see them on the napkins that's over here, you guys will be like, what in the world?
Seafood. Yeah, man, that one that tickle me.
Come on, tickle your fancy. My goodness. I feel like we just
First lady. You know, say you spoil me.
we spoil you, right?
Yeah, man.
I feel like
You spoil me, girl.
I have to. You deserve it. Sometimes.
See? You made me Hollywood, you know. I ain't do it. See? She made me Hollywood.
Now I can't take it back, huh?
One thing, I will never forget where I started from. Thank you for putting me on First Lady to Mukbang. Yeah.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Teamwork.
Make the dream work.
Exactly.
But that doesn't mean
If you win, I win.
yes, but honey. That doesn't mean teamwork. You gotta eat my food too.
That was coming. You didn't let me finish. Teamwork. I gotta eat your food. Cause if you can't manage it, me have to manage it here. Muscle them body, you know.
God, sweet man.
Yo, the way the food is so good, family. only sip my drink one time, and that's not me.
Oh, you know I had a story time?
Mm-mm.
I can't tell you that story today. Don't be mad. Don't be vexed. You understand?
Where's it?
I probably will.
You can't tell them money.
Man.
Oh. See for the wickedly man.
So, let me start the story time now then.
First your time. No, I'm going to eat.
That's all you want. Me tell story time because you want me.
I love when she tells stories, is it? Yeah, man, tell us so. Let's tell some good story first, lady. Let me continue eating.
So, this was about, what? 12 years ago?
Napkin, please.
No, it couldn't be 12 years ago because Tamia,
Wow.
13 years ago,
Alright.
I was pregnant with Tamia, our second kid. And my sister and I, well, my sister was going to go drive to go do something. I think to go drop off my niece at her grandmother's house or something. When I was probably about 6 months pregnant. So she asked if I wanted to come. Look, what's on there? I took all that stuff out.
Alright.
And she asked if I wanted to come. So I said, okay, I'll come.
You're gonna ride out.
We'll ride out. Probably like an hour drive. So we there, got the kids in the back. Vincent was in a car seat. And my niece was in a car seat. Everybody was in their car seat. We was buckled up, ready to go. We're driving now on the highway, on the 95 to be exact. Oh, you okay, my love?
Yeah. Season it. Bless me.
When you sneeze, I find it weird.
I sneeze.
Because you barely sneeze. Me, on the other hand,
I sneeze every time, Mike.
every time I sneeze. Anyway, so we're driving,
Allergy.
and we're about 30 minutes into the drive. And you know, you're on a highway, and in Florida, the speed limit is 70, so people going 80. And
Yeah.
I just hear. And I said to my sister, I think that's your tires. I do know enough about cars to know what certain sounds are. You know, I do know that. So she was like, I don't think it's my tires. I said, no, it sounds like it's your tires. And she's still driving. Mind you, going 80 miles an hour. We're in the middle lane. And it's still doing it. And I said, no, you gotta pull over.
Yeah.
As I said that, the car tire bust. Right? And the car spinned around in the middle of the highway about 4 times.
Wow. Wow.
Is that 4?
Enough time on 4.
And then, after it spun around the 4th time, it went phew,
Slide.
like it slid all the way down into the bushes, deep into the bushes. And this is about 9 o'clock at night, so you know it's dark, you know it's Florida, right? But I was pregnant. My niece was in the back seat, and my son was in the back seat, and we're like just screaming like, "Oh my God!" Like that. And I think the kids them were so young, they was like, they was screaming, but they was like, what's going on? So everybody was screaming. And I'm the kind of person that, I don't know why, where stuff happens, I'm calm. So everybody's screaming and I'm just in a car like this, like just bracing myself like, okay, what's gonna happen? Dear Lord, please protect us. We're gonna be fine. But the car is spinning.
Down the gully. But wait, where the car went?
Down in the bushes.
Down in the gully, yeah.
In the gully.
Yeah.
Well, we had a car, a tow truck, and thank God everybody was okay. Everybody was okay.
Everybody.
But it was scary because I was pregnant.
Pregnant. Everybody was in the car.
Everybody was in the car. Once the car stopped, and everyone's okay, I started crying. But I quickly stopped when I realized, wait a minute, I have my niece and my son in the car. I don't want them to get scared.
Yeah.
They're already scared, but I don't want them to see me scared. And we called the tow truck people and the ambulance and everything like that. And I remember calling my mother, and all my mother started doing is cussing all kind of bumba Jamaican words. And saying, imagine me gonna lose my whole family. Me gonna lose my whole family. And I tell you no lie, it took Vincent a long time to be in the car. He was like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Where we going? How fast you going?
Yeah.
At one point, he didn't want to get in the car.
Yeah.
You see, when the tow truck came and took the car away, the tow truck guy said, to be honest, I'm surprised not one car hit you guys.
Wow. Cause you saddled from the far lane.
Cause we spin around, cause we was in the middle lane. And we spin around so many times, not one car hit us. And when he showed us the tires, all the tires was dry rot. Cause my sister had just bought that car. All the tires was dry rot.
God was on your side. Yeah.
I have food over here too, no love.
God is on your side.
So,
God, everybody was good.
everyone was good.
Which being said, for that story, that's a good story for it, Eddie.
Thank you.
You don't have to go to church to praise God. You know what I'm saying? I was waiting for her to finish the story. You don't have to go. You can praise God in your own way. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to go to church. As long as you know the Father. I'm here, right for a
All right. I mean, that's what I believe. That's what Bishop believes. I mean, if you don't believe that, that's fine.
Yeah.
But
Even though I grew up in church,
yes.
you don't have to go.
But that's surprising though. You grew up in church. You wouldn't. You're not. Is it because you went to church too much, or
No.
you just decided, you know what, I can praise God at home?
Yeah. To be honest, not one day for my, my age already. I never go to my bed without saying my prayers. I promise you. Every night I say my prayers, no matter what. So I don't have to go to church to say my prayers or whatever, praise God. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. So
even when we're going somewhere,
yeah, we say our prayers. But I'm just saying,
we pray in the car before we leave
every
off.
night. Yeah.
Yeah.
No night. Don't pass. So, which being said, do you think you have to
Go to
church to know God? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Yo, watch out! Where you going? You don't being bad. You jumping on my plate. Don't do that.
I'm full now.
Well, you ate up your side first, lady.
I know.
You're doing good. From the other day, you eating a lot now. What's going on? When they say people eat a lot, you know what I mean? Make sure,
I'm pregnant.
Make sure you're not pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant right now, first lady.
I want one more kid.
See, I'm a big kid, yeah. No more pregnant first lady. You can't do that. Can't do that right now. Yeah, man. We gotta live. We gotta be free now.
Yeah, we gonna live our life.
Soon gonna finish high school. Studies in college. Gotta live that life, son. We gonna be touring, son. Promise, I'm not gonna eat these vegetables. I ain't no rabbit. First lady.
They come and like say, you have to tell them because they're gonna be like, Richie, right now eating vegetables.
Yeah. First lady, hook it up to it. She made it look pretty like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, man.
But we know one of them there. And them in meat.
At least you tried it though.
Yeah, I tried it. Word of wisdom, Pastor Rich in the building. Okay, what I got for y'all today, I be coming with a word of wisdom, right? That's what y'all say? Hope y'all like it. Hope y'all like it. Okay, today word of the wisdom, right? I'm on the pulpit again, First Lady. First Lady, you did good today.
I'm full, I can't eat up the bite.
All right. Ready for this one? Clear my throat. Progress is impossible without change, And those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Again, First Lady, put out the offering plate.
Offering plate. Okay.
Put out the offering plate, First Lady.
You ain't say nothing but a word.
Yes, put out the offering plate now, because I'm giving them the word of wisdom. There we go. First Lady, hand them the plate now. There we go.
Here you go,
All
guys.
right now.
Offering.
Pastor's on the pulpit. Okay now. Quiet now. All right. Progress is impossible without change. And those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. That is the word of wisdom. Put it in your term. Everybody's right. Everybody win. And that note, don't forget to like, share. We did. This was it. This was delicious. Comment, subscribe, and if you're new, appreciate y'all and welcome to the Greedy Fam. First Lady, do your thing. First Lady, yo, you're up on fleek, First Lady.
You like my top?
Oh my God, you look like an empress. Don't do that.
Oh gosh, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.